Hello guys, your one and only Passion Glow TV show. Please join me to celebrate my sweet and lovely sister. I want you to celebrate her for me. Today is her birthday. I want to show you this wonderful and beautiful sister of mine. I just want you to celebrate, join her and wish her a happy birthday and long life. More grace, every good thing she wish herself. I want you people to join me to wish her. I love her so much. She's so dear to my heart. I cannot wait for the celebration time. That is why I'm doing this. Please join me to celebrate her and wish her every good thing she wish herself. Wish her for me. I thank you, my fans out there, wherever you are watching this from. Good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are watching from. So I just want to use this medium to thank you all for getting my back, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please, I still beg you, watch, share, like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to tap the notification button in case I upload anything. One love and stay tuned.